Hello friends, so as popular demand, I've created this tutorial where I show you how you can create this banking website. It comes with a tons of features like I will always say. So you have fast transfer, deposit funds, withdraw funds, and all of this. And the good thing is you could do this without any knowledge of coding. And I'm so proud because it's a step-by-step tutorial I've created for you, and you will know how to install this using any hosting provider. I personally will always recommend Hostinger because of the efficiency and the fact that you will not wake up one morning knowing that somebody has blocked your site. But I've made use of Namecheap in creating these videos using cPanel. So if you're using Namecheap or any hosting provider that makes use of cPanel, you'll be able to also achieve this. But if you follow through using Hostinger, using my hosting referral link, I'll help you install it totally for free. All right, so it also comes with the admin panel. Here you can see all of the tons of features. It comes with live chat, comes with API features. You can look at the extensions. It is pretty good. So you'll have your live chat with talk to, you'll have your captcha. This will prevent people from just logging in on your site randomly. You could see your Google Analytics and a lot more. You have your staff, your plans, your branches, and a whole lot more. This is something you probably will need. So if you need this exact system or you want to know how to build it, just head over to my YouTube channel at Zipflight Studios to get started. Or if you're seeing it with the YouTube channel currently, just hold on as we get started on this video. My name is Matthew Brown. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and help the channel support the channel in any way you can. Thank you, and let's get started and let's get learning. All right, so welcome. So if you want to create this banking website, one of the things you need is a hosting and a domain. For this, I'm going to be using Namecheap, right? Now, Namecheap is easy and you could use it through cPanel. Now, if you don't have a Namecheap account or you don't have a domain and hosting on Namecheap, you could, but you have with other hosting providers that makes use of cPanel, then you could also do this. But if you don't have anything, you can reach out to me, then we'll help you set up one. Or what you could actually do is follow through the video, follow through the video, check if it's something you want to do, then you could come along. Just watch through. So first and first, we need to go to our cPanel. Like I said, if you're making use of other hosting, you can actually just go to your cPanel. Okay, just make sure to go to your cPanel. Now, I personally will always recommend Hostinger because it's easier, it's more secured, and nobody is going to ban your site, right? Except in rare cases. But Namecheap has the high chances of banning your site, especially if it's noticed for fraudulent activity or for things that are not supposed to be, which you shouldn't do actually. So if you're looking for a more secured, safe place, Hostinger. If you want to go with Namecheap, it's easy, everybody can do it. Now, for my people that makes use of Hostinger, you want to get Hostinger account or you want to go to Hostinger, do well to use my link in the description. I just get a bit of commission and all of that, and I'll help you install. Okay, so let's go. So the first thing you want to do once you get to your cPanel is to go to search for File Manager on your search here, then click on File Manager. Now, if your Namecheap account or your hosting account is new, you've not actually hosted any site, you could just make use of go to public_html. This is where your main domain is. Now you notice there are files here. This is a website. Actually, it's a zipflight.tech blog, right? So we have information on the blog that you probably want to read from time to time, or you will also have some details, right? We also post few things there. Check it out. Now, since we already have a site here, we'll make use of a subdomain. I'll put a link in the description showing you how to create a subdomain with a Namecheap account. Okay, so if you have a site there, you could use a subdomain, or if you don't want to make use of your main domain, you could create a subdomain. For me, I'm going to be using a subdomain. Now, if you are going to use your main domain, this is where you're going to be uploading it. It's going to be empty. You probably just have few things. Just make sure to select all and delete. Okay, and delete. But if you are like me, you want to make use of a subdomain, you could do that as well. So I'm just going to go to ai.zipflight.tech, and here we're going to be uploading script. Sorry, I mistakenly click on reload, so I just click on upload here. Right. Now, please do well to leave a comment. Do well to subscribe. Right. Do well to subscribe, to leave a comment, to encourage us and to encourage everything we do here at Ziflight Studios. Right. This will help us a lot. And comment, share the video with anybody that probably will need it. And tell us, just keep in the comments if you have any recommendation of what you want me to create next. So I'm just going to open it banking script here, then we'll allow it load. This will probably take a couple of minutes. All right, so I'm just going to pause the video here, then once it's loaded completely, we'll come back. Meanwhile, like I was telling you, this is our blog, and one of the things I am excited, I probably will consider doing a tutorial for it, is how you can have a live chat that has AI features. Now on this blog, you could go through, have fun, a lot of things like the fastest VPN, best AI content creating tools, and all of that. So just do well to check out. Do well to check out. I promise you to be something interesting. Now this particular stuff here. So you can see welcome, sure, and all of the stuff. And if I say okay, do you have a blog post earn VPN? Now nobody's responding. The AI is going to respond to this. So I send this message, immediately the AI will respond. So you could see it is ZifTech AI assistant. It says yes, we have a blog post titled the best VPN service of 2025, topics and all of that. And if you ask it, okay, the link, give me the link. All right, so it's going to get you the link. So you just click on it and you open that blog post, and it's well, it's beautiful. So there's the power of AI. Nobody's actually at the back end replying you. All of this is what the AI can do, and doing this is actually free. So if you still want something like this for a tutorial, do well to reach out to us and all of that. All right, so we're almost halfway gone, so I'm just going to pause the video here and let's see how it goes fast. Alright, so you notice one thing, that the script has been uploaded. So what you see that it becomes green here. Okay, so just click to go back. Now once you get back, you see this here. So just right click on it and click on extract. It's pretty simple, and this is going to be a short video, so let's just go fast. Alright, so just do it to click on close, then you see file, so open it up. Now I want you to select all, then click on move here. So just do it to click this, click on move files. Then come here, close this up and click on go. Now when you're done, just copy your domain or subdomain and open a new tab, just paste it there and click on enter. Now it will start the installation process. Okay, just click on agree and next step. Now it will tell you what it needs. Okay, the PHP version and certain permission, right? So we're going to be running Bootstrap. To catch, we're going to be changing permission for catch. Then it's required a 775. Okay, but our current permission is 755. Okay, so what you want to do is come back to your file manager here, then click on call. Now we're going to go to Bootstrap, open it up. You're going to see catch here, catcher, then click, then check this and this, then go back again. So we're going to do storage. All right, so it's core storage. So these are the 5 parts. So we've clicked on the core, so we're going to look for storage, then we right click on it, we're going to change permission, and this is it. So if you follow the video step by step, you actually get it. So we have core storage app. So inside we're going to open the storage now. Now I want to do the 3 at once. We have app, framework, and logs all inside the storage part. So we're going to just tap on app. You could do it individually, but since I'm using a Windows system, I'm just going to do it this. So not logs, we have framework, then logs. Then we're going to right click on change permission, then check this. We're going to change permission for all 3, and we've done that. We can click on recheck. Now you notice there's something else we need to do. We need to change our PHP version to 8.1. That's what it requires, and we're currently running version 8.2. so what we want to do is to come back here, and we're going to type PHP on the search, then click on PHP version. Please do not forget to subscribe. It will help the channel grow. We hope to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. This will really do us a lot. Thank you, and do well to comment. Just share, support us. Let's grow together. All right, so this is loaded. So click on version. We're going to choose 8.1, then click to apply. Now, one thing I've noticed about Namecheap, before once you click to apply, this loads up, but now it doesn't. So once you click to apply, just leave it to automatically change. So just hold on. All right, it's done that. So what you want to do is come back to your installation process and click on recheck. Now you have everything. So click on next step here. And here you're going to put your website URL is going to be here. So the next thing we want to do is to create a database. So for us to do this, I want us to go back to our cPanel. This is the file manager on the cPanel. So you could just come here. Then you're going to type database. Now, all of this you could do with Hostinger, which makes use of cPanel. So for that, that's why I say I'm going to install it for you, so you don't go through the process. But if you still want to go through it, I have a video where I installed a script using a Hostinger. You could just follow that step and you get it. All right. So you notice I have so many databases here. So basically, those are different websites I have created at one point. Let me show you how to delete a database. So we're going to delete this database with 66. So we're going to right click here, then click on open a new tab. Then we'll go down and we're going to delete that the same database user. So right click and open a new tab, or you can click on it directly, but I just want to open it in a new tab. So click on delete database. Now it's very important to make sure you know the database you're deleting, because once you delete a database, there's no way to recover it except you do a recovery for your cPanel, and you have to be on the plus hosting with, that is the plus shared hosting with Namecheap, or you probably have to request to their support. All right, so once I do that, I'll just refresh this. That's just, by the way, just to show you how to delete a database in case you want to do that. Now what we want to do is, I'm just going to call this CSS again. Please, this is not the CSS number, I'm just here randomly using the 3-digit. All right, so once we go back, we just click on go back here. Now what we've created is we've created a database name. So what you do is to go down here and you're going to create a database username. So I just use the same number or the same name, whatever you want to use in yours. We're going to generate a password here. What you want to do is copy this generated password. Right, make sure to say I've copied, then click on create user. Now do it to save that password. It's very important, because once you delete the password, once you forget the password, you have to create a new password. So I'll do that immediately. I'll just show you how to do that. Now remember, we've created the CSS, but one thing you notice is that we've not given the privilege to the, so we have not given the database and the user, we've not connected it and given a privilege. So what you want to do is come down here, click on this where you have add users to database, select the user and the database, click on add, then click on all privileges, then save changes. Now before I show you how you can recover your database password, let's go back here and let's just post these details. So for my password, I'm just going to paste what I've copied here. Then so you'll notice that username, the user and the database has the same name, so you could just copy one of each. And what you want to do for the database name, paste it here. The database user, you also paste it. For your host, you could call this localhost, or you could just put that digit. So you could just leave it as localhost. Now quickly, let me show you how you make sure you save changes on this. And yeah, so you click on go back here. So I'm just going to show you, let's say you actually forgot your password or you made a mistake or something. What you want to do is scroll down to where you have current user. You're going to look for the database. I call it CSS, so you click on change password here. The good thing is it will not require you for your old password, so you just put a new password and repeat it again. Make sure it's strong, or you could just use the password generator and click on change password, and that's all. So let's go back to our installation process. Yeah, you want to put your admin username, so I'm just going to call this admin with a capital letter, then password, I'm also going to use admin. Then you can put your email address here, then click on install now. And yes, it says your system has successfully installed successfully. So you also going to, what you want to do next is click to, go to website and activate. So you click on it here, and voila, we have our website. So the banking website is looking pretty cool, so we'll just hold on for it to load up fully. All right, so we could just scroll down, you can see everything. It's looking pretty cool, right? Now you could as well just refresh and all of that. So now what I'm going to show you next is I'm going to show you how you can log in. Okay, so I needed to refresh because I noticed the picture wasn't showing. All right, so everything's looking pretty cool. So let's just going to log in. So click on slash add admin and click on enter here. Now remember, we've created the password and username and we made it admin. So click on login here. So like I said, this is pretty one of the shortest videos we'll be creating. It's just for installation process, just to show you how you can install this and all of that. So everything you could go out to do them. Okay, so there are tons of videos out you could actually check. So you could check your API configuration, notification settings, and all of that. And probably if you want me to do a more detail video of how you can fully set this up, you could do it to actually reach out or leave a comment, and that's it. But basically this is how you can install this banking script and all of that. So do out to like the video, comment, and share it around, and enjoy. My name is Matthew Brown and this is Zipflight Studios. Thank you. And at Zipflight we just help you, show you simple ways you can create any kind of site, generate income, and grow as a web designer. We also have blog content where you could go check out some of the things we talked about, like how to create a domain name, how to a lot of other things, how to get a Namecheap account, a hosting account, and the likes of that. So thank you once more and have a blissful day. Don't forget to comment, leave, and share. Thank you.